So welcome to another video, and we're trying a different kind of view today with a POV. I got a GoPro on my fucking head, look like a retard, but hopefully the video comes out well. We're going to a JDM car meet today, and some of the BMW owners are coming from our group chat from the BMW way, and I'm also going to cruise there with a couple of mates right now. So just heading to the park to meet up with them, and then we're going to cruise there together. It's at Olympic Park. I've also got my JB4 removed since the last video. I have a little issue with the thermostat, so I have to take it to BMW to get that all fixed, but obviously warranty, this, that, have to get it removed and then show them and then put it back on. So we're basically stocked today, so the car it's much slower today, and it's also wet, so we've got to be a little bit more careful since we are rear-wheel drive and we don't have the most tread right now. But yeah, I guess I'll probably switch to the phone later on as well, after, well, if I'm recording outside. I'm not walking around with a fucking GoPro on my head. I am only driving with this. So yeah, let's see where the meet and everything goes. A little bit of understeer there. What the fuck was that? That was not expected. That was not planned. Maybe I gotta go a little bit slower around the corners and a bit more careful, especially when it's wet. But hopefully there's a good cruise after, so I can record. And yeah, that'll be pretty fun. Let me know if it's recording.
Yeah, okay.
So we're heading to Sydney Olympic Park right now. Rayan's in his C43 in front. Hamed doesn't have his car because it's getting lowered. So it's me and Rayan on the wet road. He has 4MATIC. I'm fucking rear-wheel drive, so I'm kind of screwed. That's why I'm being a little bit careful. But I don't know why there's a fuck ton of traffic. It's 9 o'clock. And we're just slowly trying to cut up and get to a destination quick because, well, we're arriving exactly at 9:30 and the meet starts at 9:30. I feel like we'll be a little bit early though. Let's see how it goes. God, how tough is that? He's gonna miss it. He's gonna miss it. Watch. So it's fun and games till some dickhead like this trying to merge into my lane. Fuck you, Mazda CX-9. Fucking boat. You honk, you honk. Yeah, you honk, you honk. So I didn't get many clips of actual driving, let alone POV driving. Honestly, the meet was super dead. You probably, well, I'm not a big fan of JDM cars, and at the actual meet, it was just, I don't know, I didn't like the vibe. So me and my friends, we went to Greenway after, got acai. But on the way back was the fun part when we drove back from acai house. Did some little races on the street at legal speeds, and yeah, I don't know, it was just a fun night at the end. Basically, I'm heading back home now. I'm really excited to look at these clips. You guys will probably see clips in the video already, but I haven't seen them yet. So it was fun. It was fun at the end, but the meet was super dead. I'm not going to another JDM meet. I'm just not a fan of those kind of cars. And everyone's really, really boring there. No offense to everyone, the people there, but it's a different crowd. It doesn't really, I don't know, I don't like it. So I'm not gonna go to another JDM meet, or at least one that's purely JDM. Maybe a mixed Euro and JDM one, but that was pretty dead. But yeah, hope that video and compilation of clips was good. It was super all over the place and super random.